This just-in-time video covers the second 9 weeks, which is just Unit 2, Environmental Quality. The second 9 weeks runs from October 14th to December 20th, which accounts for 42 days total, 21A and 21B. But don't forget to include hiatuses for Thanksgiving and Christmas break. All right, the resource for this book is still Cengage. We're looking at chapters 9 through 13, pages 278 to 457. Chapter 9 covers land use, Chapter 10 covers water use, and Chapter 11 through 13 covers geologic resources and sources of energy. This is a long unit, so we cover agriculture and irrigation practices and how they negatively affect the quality of food and the health of soil. Sustainable land and water management practices are crucial to maintaining a healthy earth. Geology will help us ascertain the value, amount, and effects of using non-renewable resources such as minerals and fossil fuels. And then students will also look at renewable resources like wind and solar energy and how they provide energy sources that have less effect on Earth over time. The major TEKs for this unit include 5B, 6B, 10A, and 12A. Chapter 9, Land Use. In this chapter, students will describe food security and explore food production or agricultural methods. Students will explain environmental issues related to food production, including erosion, soil health, and pesticide use. Some good activities for this section include GMO discussions, CAFOs discussion, so concentrated animal feeding operations. Some student labs you can do include field techniques for soil science, so soil profiles, soil porosity, soil permeability, and soil nutrients. You can also look at pesticide use at home, or you can even do the Rachel Carson Silent Spring documentary and have a discussion about DEET. And then lastly, you can talk about IPM. Technology and the education and resources that go into making IPM or integrated pest management work. Chapter 10 covers water use. So students are going to look at sources of water consumption, including irrigation and municipal use. Students will explore ways to sustainably use water and explain the importance of maintaining natural water sources. A good lab for this unit is the salinization lab. So test salinity of water on the growth of mung beans. You can look at radish seeds, but I had trouble finding those, so I got mung beans from Sprouts. You can design an irrigation setup for your campus. You can also discuss water rights issues, which can get really messy, specifically for the Rio Grande in Texas, New Mexico, and Colorado. And then you can also discuss overuse of fertilizer and how that causes dead zones, eutrophication. Some good examples are the Mississippi River Delta and the Chesapeake Bay. Chapter 11 through 13 covers geologic and energy resources. So students will explore earth resources, namely mineral reserves and their importance. Students will also discuss energy consumption, including the use of coal, oil, natural gas, and nuclear energy. And students will identify sources of renewable energy and their reliability. Some good activities for this unit include plate tectonic exploration. That's one of my favorite things to do. You can also have them do research on the dangers of earthquakes and volcanoes, the environmental effects of those natural disasters. You can do a rock cycle lab, mineral identification. I like to do this one because it actually gives students an idea of where the stuff that we're using comes from. Pros and cons of energy resources. You can do a discussion on acid rain, to do a discussion on nuclear power. Are they for or against it? And then you can also do some models like building solar cookers, building windmills, anything like that. As always, your number one resource is the textbook. The learning structure follows the 5E model. In the teacher edition, they have some really good activities that you can throw on the board and get the kids talking to each other and have them graphing, have them writing, have them actually analyzing data. All of these activities, including labs and tests, can also be administered through the Cengage program. If you're doing a performance assessment, you can do that anytime during the grading period. And of course, if you have any questions, you can contact me at emkent@episd.org.